Bad name falling on IZ Business School. Whether it is the faculties, the directors, the staff, the non-teaching staff, everyone is equally responsible.
So hello guys, very good morning to all of you. Hope you're fine and doing well. So starting another day from here only. So now I'm fully ready. The breakfast is also ready. Now we'll go down and we'll do the breakfast and then we'll move towards the college. And today again the weather is little bit cloudy. Like from past few days the weather is like same only. Sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's sunny. But yesterday it was around almost fully sunny. And enjoying this lake view, this view. So now guys, let's move towards the college. Like, let's see how the day will go as per the morning start. Let's. So this is the life, guys. Yeah, sometimes up, sometimes down, but still we have to work on it. We have to focus on our goals. We have to do our best. And now, guys, I reached here at our meeting point, and now I have to wait for the Raju. After coming here, then we'll go together to the college. And here, guys, he came. My buddy,
Hi,
my
hi.
brother, Birodar,
My Jan.
Birodar, my John, my
Birodar,
darling,
Birodar.
my everything, my world.
Hi.
So now, guys, let's go to the college. Let's do.
Let's do what? Without
Right.
studying, other things.
Study.
Except study.
Something.
Esteemed faculty members and the vibrant student community, a very good morning to one and all gathered here. It is an honor to welcome each one of you to this important and timely drug awareness program hosted by our college in association with the Karnataka State Police Department. Their time to come and create the awareness of drugs to our student community. I would now like to requesting Professor Sarojini to please give the bouquet.
मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसिदं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं तेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्. And I request the audience to also please stand up for this particular position. Thank you. on the calendar of academics, it is a concerted effort to cultivate awareness and promote responsible choices in tandem with the Karnataka State Police Department. I would now like to call upon our principal, Dr. Saraswati, for the welcome note. Please give her a round of applause.
Gentlemen, it's my privilege to welcome all of you to this educative program. Drug abuse refers to the use of certain chemicals for the purpose of creating pleasurable effects on the brain. There are over 190 million drug users around the world, and the problem has been increasing at alarming rate, especially among young adults. International Day Against Drug Abuse is observed on June 26th. Inspector from Jigni Police Station, who is here to share relevant information regarding benefits against drug abuse. Children, give him big round of applause and welcome him. Welcome you, sir. I am pleased to welcome Ms. Ashwini, also from the department, to the program. Please welcome her.
Officer Ashwini will be addressing you first, followed by Sub-Inspector Shivlanga Nayak. Can you give her a warm applause, please?
A warm morning to all. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೇರಿಸಿ NDPS ಆಕ್ಟ್ ತಂದಿರೋದು ನಾರ್ಕೋಟಿಕ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೈಕೋಟ್ರೋಪಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗೋದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ನ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಂಜಾನ ಗಿಡನ ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ತಂದು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 20,000 rupees ಫೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 20,000 rupees ಫೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಜೈಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಜೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆಸೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸನದಂಥ ಈ IG ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ, ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸಿಂದ ಏನು ಹಾನಿಕರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು. ಈಗನೇ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಭಾಳ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಭಾಳ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳೋದು, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಈ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
So just for the benefit of our non-Karnataka students and the students who have just joined us from different states,
But it is not a substance which is tolerated, not only just in the campus but outside the campus as well. It is not supposed to be in your possession. It is not just those who use it who will be found guilty, but such a bad name falling on IZ Business School. Whether it is the faculties, the directors, the staff, the non-teaching staff, everyone is equally responsible. You are found in the possession of drugs or unwanted. Say no to drug substances. Thank you very much.
ಚಂದಪುರ The culprit. guys, from here I purchased the banana and now let's do some rest, some work, something. And here, guys, bye bye. मिलते हैं जल्दी. Yeah, still the electricity didn't came from the morning, like morning around 10 or 10:30 light went, and still electricity is not here. Let's see how we'll manage. I was thinking I will make my banana shake and then later on let's see what we'll eat. Shit yaar, I forgotten the main thing. The keys with Jan and I directly came here. Shit yaar, like I was in a hurry because like we got the bike. He will drop me here. I don't have to walk or I don't have to ask for the lift. He will drop me. But now again I have to go and like I have to take key from him and then again I have to come back.
2,000 years later.
So now guys, I took the key from him and I booked the Rapido. The Rapido bike is coming because I don't have that much energy to walk or to take a lift. And I know that if I will take the like private auto also, then it will not get it at this time. So let's go. Let's wait for the Rapido. Now guys, I reached here finally with the help of Rapido bike. Now let's change the clothes, let's do some rest, let's do work also. So here guys, I came at the room, I changed the clothes and now I'm preparing my banana shake, and after that I have some work to do. Then we'll meet you after the work.